fur so soft it slips through hold. His eyes are deep like polished stone, set wide apart, he dreams alone. His ears stand sharp, his tail is spun, a cinnamon twist beneath the sun. Oh, Magoo Pan, you sleepy-eyed sage, you snore out a song not heard in any age. On the pillow of oh la la you lie, a pug who dreams to fly. We follow your breath, we soften our pace when you drift off to the sleeping place. He does not see, yet nothing's missed. He feels the world through fog and mist. He snore, he makes his message clear. Slow down, be kind, draw others near. The chalice of treats beside him stays, but he wants little, he gives, not weighs. His golden fur shines in the light, ears like petals, paws tucked tight. His tongue slips low in deepest sleep, a tiny piece the heart might keep. The Magoo Pan in quiet dream. Where does he go? What does he do? What has he seen? If we only knew. He cannot write, he cannot preach, yet hearts will move where paws can reach. He is no God, but he is near, a living miracle curled right here. We do not worship, we abide in quiet joy with him beside. He is not magic, he is not myth, he does not desire